So if your top three, what's your top three?
700s, Yeezy slides, and the 500s. But I don't. What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So I got another sneaker review for you today, man. But before I get into that, shout out to the new subs, man. I know that I've been telling y'all that I'm walking down 1,000 subs, and I'm really hunting it down, and I really appreciate everybody that's been pulling up on the channel, showing love, hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, sharing my videos, man. It really means a lot to me, man. Thank you. A lot of people are saying that the Yeezy, the Yeezy craze is over with. A lot of people, to me, are just saying that because the resale value has dropped. A lot of people are starting to really show who they really are when it comes to sneakers and what they like. People never liked them. They only like the fact that they could grab them and resell them. You know what I mean? So the fact that people actually still genuinely love Yeezys and are able to get them for a reasonable price or at retail price, I think it's really dope. Even though we're at the end of Kanye's relationship with Adidas, I think that it's phenomenal that we're able to just, enter raffles, win, or even pull up to a store and go and cop something. So I got the box right here. And as you can see, man, ain't no more hiding that, man. You see that's 350, so you know what that means. So the box reads Yeezy Boost 350 V2. And the colors are MX, yeah, I don't even know. You know what I'm saying? One thing about Kanye and these colorways, they're very hard to, I don't know, for me, I don't even know what that's trying to say. We're just gonna say that the streets are calling these the MX Dark Salt. That's what they're calling them on the streets. And so that's what we're gonna call them, even though it don't say it on the box. This box looks a little small. That's because, again, like I said when the video started, it's not for me, it's my wife. That's a men's size 8 right there. She really wears, a women's 9, but we got a men's 8 right here for the dub on the 350. So let's get it. All right, so we got the box open, and man, let's get into it. Got some standard Adidas paper in here, nothing too crazy. And boom, we got the Yeezy 350 V2 MX Dark Salt. Tell me what y'all think about that, man. It's almost like I can fit this shoe in my hand almost, because it's for my wife's foot, it ain't for mine. I'm used to that size 12, would probably be a 13 in these 350s, but let me know what y'all think about these, man. If you're a fan of 350s, drop it in the comments section. Let's break down this shoe. All right, so we got the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 MX Dark Salt. And let's do a 360 on the shoe real quick so y'all can get a good look at it. Hopefully it's in focus. We're gonna turn it to the right. Boom, you see it. Nice smooth pattern right there going on, man, with that dark salt. Turn it to the back. Got your little tab on the back right there. To the side, boom. Back to the front, those standard rope laces. Then you got the, simple, but very important Adidas Boost right there on the bottom. That's what makes these shoes ultra comfortable. All right, so I briefly spoke about the pricing of the shoe. The retail price for this shoe was $230. And just like I said, man, we got the receipt right there. Hopefully y'all can see that. As you can see, it says all sales are final on the Yeezys, no matter what you buy. And what the really cool thing about these was that I've honestly never walked in a store since Kanye has been dropping Yeezys. To my knowledge, I've never been able to just walk in a store and see a pair of Yeezys sitting on the shelves. We actually picked these up from Athlete's Foot. It's a local sneaker store here, kind of like a Foot Locker or a DTLR or something like that. Let me know if you have Athlete's Foot in your state or in your city where you're at, but we have one of those here. We actually have 2 of them here in the Charlotte, North Carolina area. Walked in the store, they were sitting on the shelves, 3 different colorways. This one in particular, my wife was like, yo, I need them. She tried on all 3, but she really wanted these. She tried them on and she was like, yo, these are super comfortable. I see what you're talking about when it comes to Yeezys. You can't beat the comfort when it comes to Adidas boots. This was like one of the biggest dubs that Kanye West has ever, it's hard to really say that because he's had a lot of dubs, and you know, in the music industry and the fashion industry. But the 350s really had their time. They had a wave, and my wife wanted a pair, so we got her a pair, and now she able to wear these while she doing her thing, you know, whatever she decided to do with them if she wear them. And so let's get into the styling of this shoe. Really, when it comes to 350s, man, I'm gonna be honest with you. I haven't been the biggest fan of the Yeezy 350 just because for me, I have to get a 13 in these, and sometimes 13s can look like extremely long. So for me, I was able to style them a couple different ways when I wore them. You know, I did like some cargo pants with mine. I did a couple of different shots that I put up, and actually if you want to contact me on Instagram and go check out my fashion content, I actually have a picture up with some 350s on. Style that I had like an oversized box t-shirt with kind of like the thick neck part on the shirt, and it was really dope, man. But my issue with the 350 was I really couldn't figure my way out, you know what I'm saying, of styling these things, because you can get so comfortable with just throwing on some joggers, throwing on like some sweatpants or something with them and just doing your thing, throwing on some shorts and just chilling. To me, that's what type of shoe the 350 is. The 350 is really a chill shoe. I wouldn't recommend putting on jeans with it. You definitely can wear them with shorts. You definitely can wear them with joggers. You can definitely wear them with your oversized sweatpants. That's the direction I would go in with the 350s. It's really just a chill shoe, man. You can throw them on any day and just relax and hang out and chill. All right, so I gave you my tips on styling. I gave you the unboxing. I showed you how the shoe looked. We did a 360 on the shoe. Everything we typically do on the videos here on the Mud Talk Radio channel, but we're gonna give you the rating right now on the Yeezy 350 V2 MX Dark Salt. And because I seen it on my wife's foot and it's in a size 8, I'm gonna go 9 out of 10 for the Yeezy 350 V2 MX Dark Salt, man. Y'all ain't gotta say all that, man. But listen, I'm just saying that for educational purposes. That's what the sneaker is called. That's what the streets are calling it. So I'm gonna go 9 out of 10, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about the 350 V2s. Do you rock with them? Do you like the V1s better? Let me know in the comment section below. Man, I keep telling you guys, man, if you wanna connect with me, go to the link in the description box, man. I got my Instagram down there. I have my clothing brand, rawmelonclothing.com. Right there in the description box. You can go shop with me. You can connect with me at Raw Melon Apparel on Instagram, and just reach out to me and let me know, you know, how you feeling about sneakers, how you feeling about fashion. Let's continue the conversation outside of YouTube. I would love to hear a lot of feedback from you guys. But as always, man, you know the saying, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.